Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. And welcome in social studies class. Beta, today we are going to do question answers of chapter 18 means of communication. Okay, we have done our exercises and reading part and it's time to do question answers. Okay, so open your notebook and write down date. Today is 24th November 2020. Okay, chapter 18 means of communication. Fine, write like this question answers. And our first question, in what ways is the post office useful to us? Here you have to explain the uses of post office. And first I want to tell you that here are 8 questions, A to H, but we will do only 5 questions, A, B and E. These questions we will not do today and cut these questions A, B and E. Okay, start from C part and questions from these topics I will give you in the worksheet. Fine. Okay, write down question beta, write down fast. After that I will explain you the answer. Fine. Post office is very useful for us. Okay, write down post. Beta, start writing answer. Post office is very useful. Beta, write down very useful to us. Comma. Okay, and we can send our letters. We can send our letters, messages, and envelopes to others personally. Okay, na? Personally we can send our messages, letters and envelopes, okay, to other personally. And full stop, we can post our letters. We can post our letters to other countries also. Okay, beta? With the due to post office. Okay, to other countries also. Okay, this is question 1. Now question 2 is beta, how is the internet useful for us? Here you have to write the uses of internet. Useful for communication. How did internet help to communicate with others? Okay? Answer है बेटा. Internet is very popular. Internet is very popular. Beta, do in good handwriting and without spelling mistake. Internet is very popular means of communication. Means of communication. And you know, due to internet, we are studying online. If there is not internet, then we cannot study online on Zoom or you cannot watch videos on YouTube. Okay, due to internet you are studying online nowadays. Okay, communication, internet is very popular means of communication and we can send email, SMS, pictures, audio visuals, movies, data to others instantly. Instantly means beta immediately. Okay, within few seconds we can send these things to other. Okay, to whom we want to send, or we can receive even. Okay, देखिए when I upload the video on YouTube now, immediately if you have subscribed my channel, then immediately you got the notification in your phone that Shruti Deshwal has uploaded the video this. Okay, so this all things are happening due to internet. Okay. Now write question 3 beta. In what ways is a mobile phone better than landline phone? Means how mobile phone is better than the landline phone, the telephone, that which a telephone is connected to a wire, and mobile phones are wireless. Okay, now write down the answer beta. Mobile phones are better. Mobile phones are better than landline phones. Then landline phones because because mobile phones are wireless. You know now, in your hand you are using mobile phone. Okay, because mobile phones are wireless, they are not connected to any wire, and small in size, easy to carry anywhere. है ना बेटा? Even children can also carry. Easy to carry. And many more facilities. Many more facilities like camera, GPS क्या होता है? Google Maps. Okay, from where we can find the location. Music, calendar, and there are also other many apps which you are using in your mobile phones. Okay, whereas landline phones can only be used. Beta, you can write this explanation in your own language also. Okay, but meaning should be correct and spellings also. Fine. Landline phone can only be used in one place. Okay, we cannot carry the landline phones because they are connected to a wire. Okay, and landline phones did not have these facilities like camera, GPS, music, calendar. Okay, we can do only call on with landline phone. Okay, not any other feature, and did not having these facilities. Okay, now listen to me beta, I am explaining you the answer. Listen to me very carefully. देखिए, मोबाइल फोन्स आर बेटर देन लैंडलाइन फोन्स because mobile phones are wireless, small in size, easy to carry, and many more facilities like camera, GPS, music, calendar, etc. Whereas landline phone can only be used in one place and did not having these facilities. Okay, so this is your question answer 3. Now write question 4 beta. What are the means used for mass communication? Means हम कैसे mass communication के कौन से means हैं? Okay, write down. This is very easy. The means, write down answer 4 beta. The means used for mass communication the means used for mass communication are, you know very well, are newspapers. Daily you are reading newspaper and you should read the newspaper daily. Television, radios, E-papers. E-papers क्या होता है? Electronic papers. Okay. On laptop and computers we can read the e-papers. Okay. So the means used for mass communication are newspaper, television, radios and e-papers. And okay, now question number 5. This is the last question. What is the role of communication satellites? Communication satellites in communication. I have told you in the chapter beta the benefits of communication satellites, and due to communication satellites our life is so advanced. Okay, what is the role of communication satellites in communication? Our life is so fast due to these satellites. Okay, now the answer is very easy. Communication satellites, write down beta, communication satellites help us in getting live telecast of क्रिकेट मैचेस. अभी आप देखते थे ना क्रिकेट मैचेस, लाइव आईपीएल चल रहे थे जब, है ना. देखिए, कम्युनिकेशन सैटेलाइट हेल्प अस इन गेटिंग लाइव टेलीकास्ट ऑफ क्रिकेट मैचेस. न्यूज भी लाइव आती है, लाइव जो उनकी डिस्कशन होती है. शोज, देयर आर सो मेनी शोज एंड इवेंट्स happening in the world. Okay, so I'm repeating the answer. Communication satellites help us in getting live telecast of cricket matches, news, shows and events happening in the world. Means in all over world, anywhere live telecast we can see due to communication satellites. Okay beta, so this is your homework. Write these question answers in your SST notebook in good handwriting, and you have to learn also. Okay, bye bye, take care.